Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful pouch, daisy flower pouch. I'm using this pouch for my earbuds. It's super cute and lovely. For this tutorial, we need two daisy granny squares of the same color. Here I have two granny squares and I've already uploaded the tutorial on how to crochet these granny squares, these daisy flower squares, and the link is here. And in this tutorial, we're learning how to join these two squares and turn them into this pouch. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start. To begin, I have my two squares. Don't fasten off after finishing the second square. And this is the front side of my flower. This is the front side and this is the back side. Put the back sides on each other. Like this, the front side, front side. Now chain 1. Insert the hook into the previous space, the chain 2 space here, this space, and insert the hook into the first space or a corner on the other square. Let me show you again. Insert into the same space and into the front space. You can see, yarn over and pull it through the corners. I have 2 loops on the hook and I'm making a single crochet. Insert the hook into the next stitch. We don't need the spaces, we need the stitches. Insert the hook into the first stitch and also into the first stitch of the back side square. They are in front of each other. Yarn over, pull it through the 2 stitches and create a single crochet. In fact, I'm joining the sides by single crochet. Insert the hook into the next stitch, the stitch in front of it, and single crochet. Continue until you reach the first corner. Into the corners, create 3 single crochet. Into the space, chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. Like this. And then join this side by single crochet into the next corner, 3 single crochet, single crochet. Go on until you reach this space. Into the third corner, make 1 single crochet. The 3 sides are joined, and this is the upside. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is considered as 1 double crochet. Add 2 double crochet into the first space or this same corner. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In fact, I have 3 double crochet. Go into the next space or the space between the clusters. We don't need to consider the stitches. We need the spaces between the clusters. Here, this space, and create 3 double crochet into each space. 1, 2, 3. Next space, 1, 2, 3. Go on like this way and have 3 double crochet in each space in between. I have my 3 double crochet into last space. Now join with slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Next round, chain 4 and create 1 double crochet into the previous space. This is my chains, and into this back side space make 1 double crochet, yarn over into this space, 1 double crochet. Skip the stitches into the next space between the clusters, create 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. I created V-stitch. Into the next space between clusters, 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. And repeat this pattern into the spaces between clusters, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. And at the end, slip a stitch into the 4th chain of the 4 chains at the beginning of the round. Last round, chain 3, slip a stitch into the 1st chain. Skip the next stitch. Here I'm knitting the stitches. You can see these stitches. We don't need the spaces. Okay, so skip the next stitch, single crochet into next, chain 3, slip a stitch into 1st chain, skip the next stitch into the next stitch, single crochet, and repeat this pattern. Chain 3, slip a stitch into the 1st chain, skip the next stitch, single crochet into next stitch. And at the end, slip a stitch into 3rd chain and a slip a stitch into the 1st stitch and fasten off. For the straps, chain as long as you like. I've made 70 chains. Create a slip knot and then start chaining. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, Don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!